Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling ingredients and equipment. Combine 4 large eggs, 1 can 14 Oz sweetened condensed milk, 1 can 12 Oz evaporated milk, and 1 cup whole milk in a mixing bowl. Make caramel separately with 1 cup granulated sugar and 1/4 cup water, cooking over medium until deep amber and fluid. Immediately pour into a 9-inch round flan mold or divide among 6 6-ounce ramekins to coat bottoms. Use a fine mesh strainer to remove foam and preheat oven to 325 degrees F for a gentle bake. To bake the Flan Bano Maria, pour the strained custard gently into caramel-lined molds and cover each with aluminum foil to prevent steam from forming on the surface. Place molds in a roasting pan and pour hot water so it reaches halfway up the sides of the molds, creating the Bano Maria that moderates heat. Bake at 325 degrees F for 50 to 60 minutes until the center jiggles slightly and a toothpick inserted near center comes out mostly clean. Then cool to room temperature. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the flan's edge to release it, place a serving plate over the mold or ramekin, and invert so the caramel flows over the custard, creating a glossy sauce. Serve slices chilled or slightly warmed. For warm servings, reheat in a warm water bath for about 10 minutes, not direct heat to avoid curdling. Garnish with whipped cream, toasted coconut, or fresh berries, and store leftovers covered in the refrigerator up to 3 days to maintain texture and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.